second one is ringing. Cool, right? Hi everyone, today I brought to you this dual kitchen timer. It comes like this, compact and really nice design, and it has this little metal to test the magnet, so you can stick it on your appliances like your fridge or your oven. It's really strong. All you need to do is turn it to the back and switch it on using this. It's dual, so it has two, below and up, and you can work them at the same time, both of them. Now I will set 30 minutes for the rice to cook and 15 minutes for the other food. Now we're still waiting for the rice to be cooked. We still have 8 minutes. And this is for the rice, it's ready. I will also set 2 minutes for my son to brush his teeth and 5 minutes to boil some potatoes. Time's up for my son to brush his teeth. And here's the potatoes are done. Thank you for watching. I hope you like my little video, and thank you for watching.